watching.
Yeah, I'll see it.
Okay, I am so disappointed. We've seen so many owls earlier, and I had them when I thought I was on video recording here, and it wasn't even a recording at all. It ticks me off. So now we're heading back down this little driveway path right here and hope to find these owls. There was
And I'm David. I'm David.
There was like 10 of them. So it's the highlight of my life. I'm bored. We're having fun though. We're on a mission for owls. I never knew how big owls' wings were. I'm just waiting for a big bear to run out in front of me.
I'm gonna go to
Big
Taco
moose.
Bell in this thing.
See, the owls were right here. There was like a whole bunch of them. And they're gone. I think we scared them.
Yo, we're going to Taco Bell in a golf cart.
We're not going to Taco Bell. Taco Bell's like 100 miles away from here.
We're in Wasilla.
No, we're in the valley.
We're in the valley.
Past Wasilla. Point McKenzie. I know, this video is so fascinating, isn't it?
Yo, come on. Fascinating.
David, no! Put out the gas!
No!
You trying to injure your mommy?
I'm about to jump out.
No.
Oh, now.
There's a wooden moose? No.
There wasn't a moose.
There's a wooden moose.
No. Get off my thing and
Hey!
oh, shit.
Hey! I'm vlogging here!